I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inimitable in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. So today I'm coming at you with a newer unit. This is from the Zury Sis line and it's called Jalyn in the color SOM RT 2730. And if you're interested in my free wig giveaway, just stay tuned until the end of the video and I'll give you the details on that. So this unit is a 360 lace free part 13x4. It has deep and wide lace, and this is what the stock card for it looks like. So let me just take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what Jalyn looks like. Once again, I guess I'm going with a more blonde unit, just like I did with the Zury Sis Jalyn. So the length is really nice. It looks like a natural length. It kind of has a couple looking, well, no layers. It's like the same length, but like maybe a few layers. And this is what the front is looking like. It does come with baby hairs, and since it is the 360, it also does have that lace in the back as well. So the cap construction, it has 2 combs near the ears, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So let me just pop this on and show you what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like with the lace still on. Initially I kind of am already getting some tangles. It's not too crazy just yet, but just something to be on the lookout for. This definitely does feel extremely big head friendly. I haven't adjusted the straps at all yet, but I definitely will need to because I have a smaller sized head. But if you do have a larger sized head, you'll be 100% okay with this one because I can feel my head kind of swimming in it. So what the hairline is looking like. So I am just gonna cut off this lace, add my concealer, try to lay these baby hairs down, and see what I can do with it. guys, so I did notice that during the styling this unit did tangle a good amount, even though I really do like the parting space. That was one of the downsides for me. Also, laying the baby hairs down, that was another downside for me because it was kind of hard, and if you can kind of see, they're still sort of sticking up. It seems like the texture of them may be a little bit different than the rest of the hair because the rest of the hair feels like it's a medium Yaki. I do like the texture of the hair a lot. I like the way that it's layered and the way that it's curled, and also the versatility of it, but the fact that it does tangle a good amount makes me weary about styling it. So this is everything to the front. This is to the side. And this is to the back. So I did like the Zury Sis Jalyn better than this just because it was less tingly and easier to manipulate, but I do think this is all in all a cute unit to pick up. So like I said, I'm just going to give you some details about the giveaway I'm doing. So the units I'm going to be giving away are, I'll add some clips because I don't have the stock cards with them, but I'm going to be giving away the Zury Sis Ferris. And it's in the color SOM RT 2730. And then also I'm going to be giving away the Made Beauty Super Curl in the color FF30 GD. So I'll just insert clips so you can see what those look like. So to do this giveaway, all you're gonna have to do is just like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then you're gonna have to pick a number 1 to 100, and if you get this number you'll receive one of these units. So I'm gonna be giving each unit away to a different person, so I hope that you guys are entertained by this, and I hope that you guys are interested in winning one of these units and that you like the ones that you will be getting. I'll close out this giveaway next Friday, so I'll be announcing the winners on either Sunday or Monday. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys are interested in the giveaway. So yeah, that's also all I have to say. I like this unit. I think it's a pretty good one to pick up. The versatility is nice, the lace is nice, the amount that you get is nice, the texture is really nice, but just be wary of the tangling. So that's all I have to say about this unit, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.